Hi, is this thing on? It's been a while. Hey y'all. Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wanda. If you're a returning subscriber, hey homegirl, what's going on? If you're a new subscriber, hey girl, think about subscribing before you go. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I have not said my intro in a very long time. I have not vlogged in like a week. Yeah, it's been a while. Hey y'all. I needed like a very mental break just to get me right and like just to relax and chill and not think about too much. I've already said my new year starts on February 1st. I'll do what I gotta do then, but for now I'm just relaxing. Just been trying to plan out my content and just refresh my memory. Well, not refresh my memory, it's some things that I want to do with my content, so I just been researching, that's all. But it is Friday. Happy Friday. We are about to go to dinner. It was supposed to be happy hour, but happy hour's passed, so we're about to go to dinner. Y'all, the DMV had a snowstorm last weekend. No, like Sunday. Yeah, basically last weekend we had a big snowstorm. So child, and I ain't been outside all week, so what I can see is icy and it's still snow on the ground. So I need to put my boots on. I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's really, I'm really kind of chill, but I'm cute though, you know. Yeah, but it's very chilled. So I'm gonna show you my outfit and then we're gonna go. I don't know what coat I want to wear because it's 30 degrees. Oh my god, it's 28 degrees. What is happening? Oh my gosh. And then it's, oh, see, and that people kept saying this. They said it was gonna snow tonight. Girl, my app says it's gonna snow at 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. and it's a 60% chance. Insane. But oh, I heard Atlanta got snow, so if you from Atlanta, drop a little snowflake in the comments. Let me know that you here, girl. I hope y'all good and y'all safe, because I heard y'all ain't had snow since like 2014, so just something new to y'all. So I just wanted to come in and start the vlog off. Yes, we're still rocking the bob. The bob is only for this weekend and she gone. She gotta go. I tried to take this off last night, but I must have really glued this thing down really good because she was not budging. But we'll figure it out. I think Sunday. I see y'all. I'm gonna take my hair out Sunday. But alright, outie.
Calling me splurge, let me jump right out the curb.
Just leaving dinner, y'all. It's cold as fuck outside, so I'm trying to talk really quick. I got my Fashion Over trench on. I didn't even show y'all my coat. Oh my god, my friend is taking forever to bring the car. All right, I'm gonna hop in the car. Be right back. I hate when my eye gets to running and it like separates the makeup. Ooh. We off the Don Julio. I could be a rapper. Like all I need is like a catchy phrase.
Yeah, if Ice Spice can make it, anybody can make it.
Not for real. All right, we about to go up in this little hookah spot after I take my shot. Yeah, so let's go. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Happy Sunday. Got a package from Amazon. I know I look crazy coming on with my bonnet on, but I've been up for like an hour, so that's what you about to get for right now. I don't even know why they gave me this big ass box. I ordered a pen for my iPad, and they just gave me this big old box for that. I need to clean this vanity off. I did my makeup yesterday. This stuff right here. And I'm about to do a face mask because I feel like I still have makeup on my face, and I washed my face this morning. I need to do a face mask. I haven't done one in a while actually, so I'm a little overdue. But this is the pen I got from Amazon. So I looked on TikTok and they said this was compatible with my iPad that I have. So I'm gonna see how to work this in a minute. I need to clean this stuff off first. Oh goodness. I'm low-key still tired, but I need to fix this video because y'all finally about to get a vlog today. So I changed my intro song. Well, I'm keeping the same intro, but I switched the pictures out because I was trying to do a whole new intro, but it wasn't working out for me. And I have a vision, so I'm gonna work on it like another time and really execute how I want it. But for the time being, I'm gonna just use my old intro, and I switched the pictures around when I changed the intro song. The song is getting copyrighted. It's only 15 seconds. So why are you getting copyrighted? Like, don't play with me. So I have to fix that. Oh my god. I need to wash my makeup brushes. That's what I really need to do. I might do that later on because I gotta figure out. I think I'm doing something. So we'll be going to the movies to go see Issa Rae's new movie. I can't think of the name of it, but they got Keke Palmer and SZA in it. I cannot think of the name of it. I don't know. I got this little bucket of chai. I put my lip glosses in here because I'm accumulating a lot of lip glosses and I don't know if nowhere else to put them. I'm using the Fenty Skin. This is the Cookies and Cream mask. Y'all, I have not used this mask in so long. I haven't done a face mask in a long time, actually. Oh. What the hell? I don't know where it went. Okay. But, y'all. So I ended up going to my friend's sister birthday dinner last night. We went to Ruth Chris. I ain't been to Ruth Chris in so freaking long. That food was so good. But our waiter, I wasn't feeling him. Because what I'm trying to figure out is, why do y'all feel as though black people can't do fine dining? And honestly, Ruth Chris is not fine dining to me, but some it might be, but it's just a regular old steakhouse to me, honestly. But yeah, I just wasn't feeling the little remarks that the man was saying. But you have to realize, people from other countries, they don't know how to act, or I feel like they don't know how to have conversations with us. And they say any damn thing because they're freaking nervous. But then after that, we ended up going to this little hookah spot. I didn't really vlog in there because it was freaking packed. And that spot is normally like low key. But they trying to get club now. So it's like, okay. They claim we supposed to be getting some more snow. Mind you, Friday it started snowing, but it didn't do too much. It was like so, but it was the whole point. And now Sunday they told me on Sunday we supposed to be getting more snow. Like, okay. I low-key need to go to Target. Only because I need some more feminine wash. I'm semi about to run out of my face wash, but I feel like I can probably wait another 2 weeks for it. And then it'll really be like out. So I don't need to get it just yet. I can honestly just wait on that. But I need some more feminine wash. And something else. I can't really think what it was. Oh, I don't have no more Oly pops. My little ginger ales. All that is gone. And yeah, that's really all. And whatever else I see. Well, now we're not going to need any wipes. I've been trying to limit my spending. So we'll see. But I need to clean this freaking room because I kind of threw stuff everywhere. Alright, this should be good now. These lashes are held up. These is the shortest I ever did my lashes. These are 16s. 16s and 14s. Got my iced coffee. I do not feel like folding these clothes. I really don't. But I got to. So, be right back. It's many hours later. Girl, I've been just, I'm about to use my Doctors in the Rose pads. Girl, I've been chilling. Well, not necessarily chilling. I had a lot of clothes to fold, like I told y'all. So I did that. Went ahead and put my vlog out. Even when I got a copyright claim, it's like, it is what it is at this point. It's okay. I'm gonna work on finding another intro song in a few minutes, actually, because I want to go on SoundCloud and get some more, find some music, some new music. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I wanted to get started on editing a new vlog. Also, I was on Instagram and talking to like my creators group, trying to see what apps everybody are going to use after once TikTok is gone, because this is basically the final week of TikTok. It's being banned, was supposedly being banned on the 19th. So a lot of people said they were moving to Lemon 8, and there's another app called Fanbase. So I downloaded both of them. When I logged on, when I opened up Lemon 8, it had my, it asked if I wanted to use my TikTok username and stuff. So it basically transferred everything over there. No videos or nothing was on there, but like far as like my name. So I did that. So I'll leave that down below, y'all. I'm on Lemon 8. I'm gonna see what it's looking like and how to maneuver through it, and then I'm gonna take a look at the Fanbase app and see how to work that. A few people were saying it's kind of hard, so I don't know. Look, I'm not trying to have too many apps and all that. I don't have time to maneuver through all that. The main one is YouTube, but as far as short form content, we need something else. So because y'all know how I am about Instagram. I don't know, I don't really care for Instagram. I truly don't, and I'm tired of trying to force myself because I just don't care for it. And y'all can tell, like, I barely post on there. I just started posting back in my stories again, but as far as on my page, I don't be posting. I said I was gonna do like a dump, post some pictures on there. Other than that, y'all see me on here. Like, child, I don't be caring. I think I just be over all that shit, honestly. Like, I used to be heavy, like, posting all the time on social medias. Now it's like I just really don't care. These gold snail eye patches I got from TJ Maxx have become my top favorite eye patches. I think it's because I just like the way they feel. Even though they do be sliding, child. These things really do be sliding. My nails be putting a hole in it. Oh my god. And look at her sliding down. Stay up there. Like, look at my laptop, and I'm about to finally open up this iPad because I want to see how this pen work. It came with a box. I'm so surprised.
So Celine has her blue eyeshadow for a boy. Everybody listen. Hi. Everybody keeps saying here's the thing. I can't say how I'm going to control my emotions. Like, of course, we just have to have a healthy baby. Absolutely, yeah. Hi. Okay. I told him to practice. So show them what you're going to do with this.
Okay, so I got it working now. My only thing is so weird because there's no button on here, so I gotta like tap it and like lift it up. But why the hell is this thing flip? This screen is so huge. I downloaded someone's, anyways. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Like, it's so cute. Now, as far as the pen, I'm still trying to get how I use it. Well, basically how I charge it. So they said to turn it on, you tap it twice up here. Okay, and you see how the lights cut on? It's like some blue lights. Damn, you cannot see. Okay, so the lights is on. My only thing is, how do I charge it? Because they like use a USB and connect it. So connect one end of the data cable to the pin and the other to the 5V DC power adapter. How does this go in here? This doesn't make sense. So do I take this off? But the picture don't even show that you take that off. I don't know. I'm gonna look at a video on TikTok to see how I do that. But I'm loving my new iPad. I went ahead and downloaded some apps already. Especially CapCut. I want to see if I can edit on here and how that would look. But oh, and I'm watching Poor Minds with Santana. Y'all, they are freaking hilarious.
Here, oh, you at that where that work at? Oh, you here? Oh.
But I'm gonna check y'all in a minute. I'm gonna go cook. I'm gonna go make some salmon and some rice. Like, I'm starving. But I just want to pop back in and show y'all that I set my iPad up. I'm so excited. Like, this is a big screen from my iPad mini. Oh my gosh. This is a game changer. Okay, be back in a few.